Hi, I'm registered dietitian Lisa Andrews with Soundbites Nutrition. As a dietitian, I like to eat and promote nutritious food that's good for health and vitality. My philosophy on food is that it should not only be nutritious, but delicious and enjoyable. Research shows that a diet high in fruits and vegetables helps to reduce the risk for cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic illnesses. But nutritious food doesn't have to be boring. Let me give you a fun way to enjoy your food. Why not make a tasty charcuterie board? While traditional charcuterie boards contain cured meat, which tends to be high in sodium and saturated fat, I've paired this one with some fruit, nuts, and cheese. One of my favorite fruits to add to a charcuterie board is delicious Medjool Dates. They're super sweet and have a chewy texture and pair really well with savory snacks. Did you know that Medjool Dates have more potassium by weight than bananas? Potassium is an important nutrient to help manage blood pressure. In addition, Medjool Dates are a good source of dietary fiber. This helps to control appetite, blood sugar, and cholesterol. The next time you want a fun snack to eat, you can try a charcuterie board or just grab a handful of dates and go for long-lasting energy. You won't regret it. Thank you.